What do y'all today? We got some cheesy pasta, y'all. And I got some Starburst lemon drink mix. How y'all doing today? Happy Monday. What is it? President Day, y'all? And some kind of day, y'all. My president. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna put a little hot sauce on her too, y'all. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all get close up. Baby. We had pasta on reused pork chop, hamburgers, and sausage yesterday. Somebody out there. Time I start recording, somebody come out. Huh? Oh my God, that's good. That tastes just like the lemon Starburst. Oh my God. I'm about to keep them brains to my room. It's good. I'm never too hard headed, y'all. Told them got bronchitis. You do all the wrong shit. If you tell them not to do, we do it.